How to use Linktree quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how to get started with Linktree. So let's get into it. Now, Linktree is a platform that enables you to link multiple links in one singular link that you can post on your social media accounts, your website, all of your social platforms can easily be summarized in one specific link, and then you can share that. You can put your e-commerce stores, you can put your social media account, your Twitter accounts, your NFT platforms, crypto platforms, all that good stuff in a singular link. And why is this so important? Well, often you cannot put more than one link on your social media bios, such as your Instagram, Twitter, so it's better to have just one link that lets people access whatever part of your e-commerce industry or your social media they want to access, instead of having to, post multiple links on multiple tweets or multiple Instagram posts and so on. So that is why Linktree is such an amazing platform. Now, to get started with Linktree, all you have to do is click on linktr.ee. So you're going to go onto Linktree, and once you go onto Linktree, you can click on sign up for free on the top right of your screen. Once you click on sign up for free, you can see that you have your Linktree username that you're going to use. So what you're going to do is you're going to input the name that you're using on your social media or maybe your e-commerce store. So if I go on to Wix over here, now you can choose to create Linktree for your personal social media accounts, or you can even create it for your business. So let's say I have like a business called Silk Scrunchies. So I'm going to go on ahead and name my Linktree account Silk Scrunchies because I want to make it for my business, where I can link my e-commerce store, where I can link my social media platforms for my business. Now, Linktree is going to show me whether or not this username is available. So this is available, and now I'm just going to input my email address. And once I have done that, all I have to do is click on create account. Now I'm going to enter a suitable password for my Linktree account. Once you have input a suitable password, you're just going to click on continue over here. So with this, you're going to go on ahead and enter your name. Then you're going to enter what kind of category that your Linktree would fit in. So let's say this is a business, and let's say we are in shopping and retail, and now you're going to just click on continue over here. And once you do that, you're going to pick the plan for you. We're just going to continue with the free version of Linktree, and later on, I will discuss the different features that are available for you to get started with. Now, you can see over here, this is the free version of Linktree. You have these themes that you can pick out from. So let's say I want to use this one over here. Let's say I just want to continue with the poppy theme. Now I'm just going to click on next, and now I'm going to click on got it over here. And now we can begin setting up our actual Linktree platform. So now over here, I have logged onto my Linktree account, and once I go onto my Linktree account, I've verified my account using my email, and from here, I'm going to begin adding my links. So you can see this is the appearance currently, and you can customize this later on. So first off, I'm going to click on add new link over here, and I can begin by adding my link. So let's say we want to add our website. So I just want to add like a shop now link, and now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up my website, and I'm just going to link my website. So I just need to copy the URL of my website, and I'm just going to click on copy, and then I'm going to paste my URL just like so. And you will get a preview over here. So this is what it's going to look like. We're going to customize this later on. And you can even click on redirect or thumbnail or prioritize, schedule, lock. And you can also browse the links later on. Now, after that, you can also click on explore on the top right. And you can add things like a specific type form, video, tip jar. Let's say we want to showcase our Reddit profile. You can add that. You can add a specific cameo form if you want. Now, I'm just going to click on add new link, and I'm going to move this down because I want my shop now link to be on top, and then I'm just going to add follow us or just Twitter, and then I can just link my Twitter account. So you're just going to copy and paste your links over here, and now you can link off to Twitter's specific website or display the latest tweet if you have the premium version, or link off to this profile's latest tweet if you have the premium version as well. Now, after that, what you're going to do is once you have added all of your links, I'm just going to add these two links over here. I'm going to click on appearance on the top over here. And once you do that, you can begin customizing the appearance of your Linktree profile. So there is not a lot you can do with the specific basic version, but you can choose a image for your display photo, and then you can also add a bio. So like this, I've added like a simple bio to my Linktree as well. And now you can see the bio has appeared in my preview. Now I can just click on settings on the top over here. Moving on to the next section. Now you can customize your SEO as well as add support banners and e-commerce integrations if you want to, you want to get donations or tips or something like that. But I am going to skip that for now. And then you have your analytics section on Linktree as well. So from here, you can see what links are people clicking from your Linktree account. You will get your views, clicks, CTR, and overall revenue generated. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to visit my Linktree and I'm going to show you guys what it is currently looking like. So if I click on my Linktree account over here, this will open up the Linktree account that I have, and you can see this is Shop Now, and if I click on the Shop Now button, it opens up my e-commerce store, and if I click on the Twitter button, it opens up my Twitter portfolio. So just like that, you can simplify all of your links into one simple space, and you can also share this Linktree, and you can just simply copy your Linktree and add it onto your Instagram bio, Twitter bio, or any other social media platform where you might want to promote your business as well as your social media influencer personality if you are doing that. And you can easily do that using Linktree. And Linktree also has a premium version where you get more options in terms of customization of appearance. You can upgrade your plan later on as well. So you can choose to go on ahead and choose a different plan where you will get access to features such as a customized background, customized image backgrounds, and as well as some other integrations, but they are not essential and you still can use all of the primary features for free. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.